Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI Y7a, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Start by opening settings, then scroll all the way down, click on accessibility features and tap on one-handed mode. Tap on the switcher to activate it and follow the instructions. So I have to swipe across the navigation bar because I have tricky navigation. So now when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working. If you want to go back, click on blank area over here and tap on the switcher to turn off one-handed mode completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!